let's take a look at something else I've bought for my drone piloting. It's not really a necessary thing to wear, but I quite like the look of it, and I think it gets more and more useful as you go into more public places or places where members of the public are potentially going to pass through. So I did some drone filming in a field nearby where I live the other day, and 2 people came walking their dogs in there, and I had to explain I was flying a drone and to make them aware of it. Something like this could make that a little bit more easy for them to see. It may also make it look a little bit more official and stop people approaching, asking what you're doing and whether you're allowed to do it, and all those type of things that go with it. So here's what we've got then. So it is a bright orange high-vis jacket with reflective straps. So we've got reflective straps on there, and then on the back we have the words drone pilot. So if we have a look at that picture of a drone, looks like a DJI Phantom, and the word drone pilot in there hopefully makes me stand out a little bit more. It's obviously my choice to wear it. If I don't want to stand out and I'm trying to be a little bit more discreet, I'm obviously not going to be putting this on. If I'm in a place where I just want people around me to be aware that I'm filming and got a drone, this is the type of thing I'd probably wear for that. Also has a camera on it, so hopefully that also makes it aware to people that you are doing filming, not just flying a drone. This is from Amazon by an organisation called Corporate Togs. Again, I'll put the page up for you to have a look at. It's a Velcro on the front, it just fastens up. This is a large. Interestingly, it's just, I suppose, comfortable on me. In just a t-shirt, it fits and it fastens up. I think once I get a jumper or a bulky jacket on, it's going to be a little bit tight. It's not going to fasten. I don't see that as a particular problem, and you know, the Velcro fastened or not fastened isn't really what it's about. It's not as exactly there to keep me warm. Where maybe it'll blow around in the wind a little bit. So I would suggest that if you are looking for one of these to wear in lots of different conditions, perhaps go a size up. Take into account the fact that you're going to have lots of clothing on it. So I see this as sort of like a t-shirt sizing. So I'm a large in a t-shirt, this is a large. If I wanted something that was going over other clothing, I'd go up a size as well. So definitely on that one. As you get, it's short sleeve. So go and have a look. So again, it's not designed to be keeping me warm. It is just a over the top type thing. What I will do is I'll go out and film some footage with me wearing this, so you can see what it looks like on and how it works. Not intended to, you know, potentially wear it at night and test the reflection strips on it and stuff like that, but I'll give you an idea of what it looks like when it's on. So that's it. Drone Pilot high-vis top. It's also available in yellow. I did think the yellow maybe looked a little bit more sort of council and official. I thought the orange was a little bit of an offset on that one, so I went for orange with the high-vis stripes. Don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos about my experiences of becoming my first drone pilot, then like and subscribe, and there'll be more content around the drones as we go forward. Thank you very much.